Are you curious about the cost of solar street lighting systems? Let's explore how this sustainable solution is revolutionizing outdoor lighting.
Solar LED Street Light Company has analyzed the cost factors associated with solar street lighting systems. According to their findings, the initial investment in solar street lights may seem higher than traditional lighting options. However, the long-term benefits far outweigh the upfront costs. One major advantage is the significant reduction in electricity bills. Solar street lights are powered by renewable energy from the sun, eliminating the need for grid electricity. This results in substantial cost savings over time. Additionally, solar street lights require minimal maintenance. They are designed with durable materials and advanced technologies, ensuring longevity and reducing maintenance expenses. This makes them an ideal choice for remote and hard-to-access areas. But what about reliability? Solar LED Street Light Company's customers are experiencing reliable lighting solutions. These systems are equipped with smart features like auto on or off sensors and energy management systems, ensuring consistent illumination throughout the night. Visit our website for more information on how you can harness the power of the sun for your street lighting needs. Contact us today and be part of the solar street lighting revolution.